My name is Chef Robbie Nowlin. I'm the executive chef partner of Arrosta, San Antonio, Texas. We'll be doing 2 dishes tonight. One is spaghetti with lamb ragu. So this is our spaghetti chichara. So our braised lamb shank ragu, which has piquillo peppers, which are from Spain. But that lamb flavor is really what shines through in this dish. And certainly the house-made spaghetti chichara. We're gonna add a little bit of butter here, or a lot of butter, right? Boom. Guys, thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen at Arrosta. We're excited about Rebel Foods and all their great product. We get our chicken, lamb, beef, all those good things from Josh Kirk. So we're excited about everything in San Antonio because of this guy.